What's good, everybody? Welcome to another edition of Savage NFTV. It's your boy Savage, and you know I'm always keeping it savage. Shouts out to all y'all. I hope y'all having a great day. Shouts out to the Savage Nation family. Of course, if you're new to the channel, be sure to hit like. Be sure to subscribe. Make sure you hit that notification bell so you never miss out on nothing hot, fresh, and new that we got coming for you. Today we doing a step-by-step tutorial on the brand new Savage Nation Svtn token coming to the Tezos blockchain. We're doing a step-by-step tutorial on how to purchase these tokens during the pre-sale event that just started. We one day in the pre-sale event, so it just started. So we're gonna do a step-by-step on how to purchase these tokens and get them in your Tezos wallet. It's a great opportunity, so let's go ahead and dig straight off into it. As you can see, we on the website landing page of Savage Nation svtn.org, and we want to go check out these tokens. It's a beautiful site. All the information is listed here on the site about the token, about the utilities for the token, the conclusion about the token. You can go and read everything about this new token. It's a super dope project, and I'm super excited about it. So let's go over and buy token now. Okay, and the first thing, of course, it will bring you here so that you can create a new account. So you don't have an account, we're going to create a new account. So let's do that. Let's sign up here. Okay, let's go ahead and put our name. Okay, I'll put my name. All right, and email address. Okay, after you get this, go ahead and set up a password, of course, and go ahead and repeat that password. There we go. Let's go ahead and agree to the terms and create account. All right, boom. All right, your sign-in process is almost done. Okay, so then we have to go over to our email so that we can verify. Let's get over to our email. Okay, let's see. If you don't see it right away, or if you don't see it in your inbox, also check your spam folder. It should show up there as well. So okay, it hasn't shown up here yet, so let's give it a moment. Okay, boom, there it is. It showed up in our folder. So let's go ahead, boom, and go ahead and confirm. If you have a problem confirming with the button and the button's not working, go ahead and copy that at the bottom, and we're going to put it into another window. So let's do that. Like that. And boom, congratulations, you have successfully verified your email address and your account is now active. Okay, now we're going to sign in to start that token process. Boom, let's go ahead and enter our email address. And go ahead and put our, well, I saved it, so it'll go ahead and load up for me. And let's go ahead and sign in. Okay, boom, and it brings us here to our landing page to actually purchase our token. As you can see, it shows the token balance. If you would have bought some previously, of course, the pre-sale is running. The price of the token, how much it costs. Oh, sorry about that. The price of the token, how much it actually costs per token. The account status, of course, my email was verified, so you see up top it's been verified, and I'm going to have to enter a wallet address and everything as I get further into it. So let's go. Let's see. Buy a token now. Okay, let's see. Let's check out add wallet address. Okay, so yes, that's what we want to do first. Okay, let's add that wallet address. And I keep zooming in. My fingers keep touching it. Sorry about that, guys. All right, so we're going to enter our Tezos wallet address because the SVTN token is a Tezos token. It's on the Tezos blockchain. So you're going to have to enter your Tezos wallet address here in this space. It says do not use your exchange wallet address, or if you do, have a private key of the or if you don't have a private key of your address, you will not receive your token and you will lose your funds if you do. So definitely be aware of that. So we're going to add our Tezos wallet address here. So I'm going to go over, let me get mine real quick just to actually have it signed in and have everything good to go. So all right, I'm gonna go over to our community one. As you see, this is actually my account over on Object, my art account. If y'all into the Object and the art, definitely go check it out. So we're going to use the community. This is our community page right here for the Savage Nation as well. So we're going to copy that address and let's get back. All right, so we're going to enter the Tezos wallet address that we just copied. All right, and there we go. So this is the address where your SVTN will go when you enter your address here at the end of the pre-sale. This is where your SVTN that you're purchasing right now will go to. All right, so boom, we're going to add that wallet. All right, boom. There we go. So now you see receiving wallet right here up top. They'll go ahead and verify. You make sure that's your wallet address for sure. Always double check just to be safe. And that's what's up. So now we're going to go to buy token. All right, boom. So now we're here. Okay, choose your currency. It'll calculate your SVTN token price. There's 3 options currently to actually purchase the SVTN tokens. We have Ethereum, Bitcoin, and USDT. Also be mindful when you do USDT, you pay by ERC20 network for USDT. So definitely be mindful of that. You don't want to send your payment on the wrong network and the payment never arrives and you lose your crypto. So definitely make sure that you pay on the ERC20 network if you choose the USDT option. So definitely that's the option that we're going to choose, the USDT option. We're going to put in the amount of tokens. So here at the bottom it tells you the minimum contribution required if you're going to purchase and participate in this pre-sale. So we're going to go ahead and do so. So that's 100,000, excuse me, minimum. So that's what we're going to put in right there. Okay, so let's go ahead and proceed to make payment. Okay. Boom. Okay, now we end up on the next page. It tells you how much that I'm going to have to pay. I'm going to have to pay 6.7 USDT to receive 100,000 SVT in tokens. Says you choose the following payment method, which is only one right now, is crypto. So we're going to click on that, select that payment method, pay via crypto, and go ahead and agree to the terms. Okay, after you do that, we're going to hit buy token. Okay, so confirmation of your payment. Okay, the order's been placed successfully, but we're not done yet. This is how we go ahead and finalize, make our payment so that everything goes through. So you see this address right here because we chose Tether. We're going to use that Tether address that's listed right there. We send in the amount of 6.7 USDT. So we're going to copy this address right here. Okay, after you copy that address, you're going to go back over to wherever you're sending it from. So if you're using your wallet or exchange, wherever you're going to send it from. Okay, I'm using my ledger. Okay, so we're going to send USDT from the ledger. Okay, so all right, back here we are, USDT. That's what I'm going to send. All right, I'm going to go ahead and paste in that address that I just copied. Okay, and let's hit continue. I don't have enough ETH in there right now to actually make the transaction. Sorry about that. That's what the problem is. So I would have to add some ETH to it. Okay, when you get to this step, I'll just still continue to show you all what to do, because this is actually the final step to purchasing. So you would go ahead, enter the amount that you're doing, which is the 6.7 USDT. So it's asking for the ETH, so you would enter the equal amount on this side, where you know, for the equal amount in Tether and USD. So you'll enter the actual amount right here. Okay, and there's the fees, and then you would hit continue. Once you that payment is initiated and you get a confirmation that it's initiated, go ahead and copy your address, your send address from where you're actually sending your Ethereum from. So your wallet address, and then you would copy that address, and we would go back over to the actual site where we were, okay, and you would paste that address here after you initiated your actual payment. So once you put your insert payment address here, you'll just hit confirm payment, and then it'll give you a notification saying your payment was confirmed, and then it'll be confirmed on the other end, and you'll receive an email once it's been confirmed on the token and on the Savage Nation SVTN side of things. So that's the process. I hope that this was helpful for you all. Once again, if you're new to the channel, make sure you like, make sure you subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you never miss out on nothing we got coming. You know, thank y'all again. I appreciate it. Much love. Keep it savage out there.